So my name's Jono, and in July last year I came to the Armstrong Lutherie because I had some questions about guitars. I wanted to learn how to build them, or at least learn how they were built. And little did I know I could build an entire guitar with Andrew at the Lutherie here, and I achieved that. I built a 6-string OM style acoustic guitar, and it sounds fantastic. I love it. I guess I wanted to know absolutely what made a guitar a good guitar and what made a guitar a bad guitar. Like, I didn't like the idea of going into a shop and having someone sort of selling me something where they wanted to sell me something. Whereas where I come into Andrew and I talk to him and I ask him the questions, he gives me his honest answer and he gives me his experience and his reasons as to why. Really, when it comes down to it and you're in here, it's simplified to a level where it makes so much sense, and it's like, you've got 1,000 questions, but Andrew's got the answers and it just clarifies it for you.
That's looking good. All right, so carry on.
With the guidance that Andrew gives you here, it's really quite easy to get each step and each process down pat. I can't stress enough how much fun I had building this, and I mean, I'd recommend it to anyone of any skill level. Like, it's been such a great experience, and it's so unique. Like, it's so different from anything you usually do in your day-to-day. So yeah, give Armstrong Lutherie a call and come down and check it out and just ask questions if you need. It's the best thing you'll ever do.